guys, good morning. I have a big pimples. Welcome to my likes vlog. It's morning time and I'm going to walk my cat. They are not complete today. Kasi Ulysses is still sleeping in my room and Poggy is I don't know. So what I did is I joined Tali together and they can pull each other. Yan. We're in the subdivision only. And as you can see, there's a lot of bubog here. So many bubog. Look at that. Oh, kasi may mga, there's a lot of very irresponsible people here in this subdivision. They didn't clean up this mess. And knowing that there are lots of kids here also playing, they don't care. You see? They are pulling each other. Sige, go. Push nyo yan. Sige. Gusto ko bumili ng bagong camera, tas mag-downgrade ng cellphone. I want to buy Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Oh. Tadam, tadam. My Crocs. I think he will have his fourth squirt of the day. Tudun! Oh, di ba? Pang fourth na yan, pang fourth. Hi! Hello! Hello! Oh, pupupo siya, pupupo siya. No. Sige, go, pupo ka na. Go, pup. Sige, pupo ka na dyan. Sige, go. I know you're going to poop. Pupo ka na. I'm holding it, oh. Para hindi ka mapul ni Nunal. Sige, bala ka. Nunal wants some lambing. They're pulling each other. Oh, tara. Let's go. Mama, welcome ka. Look, the bubog. You see that? It's all bubog. This kid wants some lambing. Lambinski. Pagaling na ikaw, ha? Pagaling ka na, ha? Pagaling na ikaw. Tatayan si Lily. Paikot-ikot na tayo yan. He's searching for the best spot. oh no, the tali. Ew. Ew. Hi. Kadiri. Let me see if my... Excuse me. Wait, titingnan ko kung may bulate. Wala naman. Wala naman bulate. No bulate. His poop is okay. Wala naman bulate. Oh, let's go na. You're so clingy. Tara, tara. Go, go, go. Hala. Loko. Kawa naman si Nuna. Lagi nang hinila nito ni Lily na to. Yan, pupupo ulit siya. Pupupo o iihi. Ano, choice si Nuna leba para sumunod eh. Pero hinihintay ako ni Nunal. Nunal is waiting for me. Kawa naman ikaw na. Inasundan mo lang naman ako, no? You're just waiting for me, diba? Ang bait naman ang Nunal ko. Tapos mapo-force na naman niya ng hila. Bilisan natin, Nunal. At hihilahin ka ni ano. Mag-i-escort ulit yan dun sa area na yun. Dun. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah, hindi. Alam ni Nunal. Yun, nag-scooting na siya. Yun. Ay. Kadiri. Kadiri, baby. Sige, go na. It's okay. Don't wait me. Si Nunal ang lead natin for today's video. Yun, hihilahin na naman. Yun. Hinahintay ako ni Nunal. Tropa pips sila. They're both walking together and running together. Best buddies ever! Ayun, iniwan na nila ako. Oh, tinitingnan pa din ako ni Nunal. Ala, iniwan na nila ako. Bagal ko daw kasi. Okay. Let's catch them up. Ayun. Ayun naman sila. Tatai. Baho. Yan, you witness the poop. This video is only for your eyes. Ew, tayo din yan, baby. Walang ano yun. Tara na. Let's go. Tama na. You go with Lily. Yan. Magpi-fifth na siya. Magpi-fifth squirt siya for today. Squirting and pooping video yata ito ng mga alaga ko. Tama. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Fifth squirt. And, that is the school of Migo. Ito yung stage, yung area na yan. Punta na naman siya doon sa sa house. Hindi siya. Hoy, hindi kayo dyan. No. Come out. Psst. Alam ko kung saan ka pupunta. Doon ka sa school pupunta. Let's go back. Huwag dyan. Ah, si Pogi! Come here, Pogi! Come. Come, bro. Yan, may aso. O, tara na. Tara, let's go. Yan si Pogi, oh. Di mo niyaya si Elise. Tara. Psst. Oh, come on. We have 3 companion. Oh. Yun. Hi! Why inaaway niyo si Pogi? Ay! Lily! Ikaw. Lagi talaga yan, si Lily at si Pogi. Ay, naku po. Lily, wag mong awayin si Pogi! Alaga ako din yan, ha? Ay! Why so bad ka? Kawawa naman si Pogi. Ikaw ang bad mo. Ikaw? Sorry. Bad yun, ha? Bad yan. Don't do that. Alaga ko din si Pogi, okay? Sure. Pogi! Wala tuloy si Pogi. Pogi, come here, Pogi! Pinagtakbo mo naman si Nunal eh. Yan, ang likot tuloy ng camera ko. Doon ka, lumusot ka doon. Mamaya nga tayo alis. Napapagod ako eh. Likot mo kasi. Ikaw naman si Pogi. Pogi! I couldn't find Pogi na. Umalis si Pogi. Hindi ko na siya makita. Kainis kasi Pogi! Kawawa naman si Pogi. Pogi! Hindi ko makita. Ikaw kasi! Inaway mo si Pogi. Ba't ang bad mo? Ang bad mo. That's wrong. Pogi just want to be with us. That's wrong. Wawa naman si Pogi. Oh, pinagtakbo-takbo mo si Nunal, oh. Kawawa naman si Nunal. Dog here. Lily looking at that dog pooping. Dog pooping yata talaga itong vlog na to eh. Tadaan! Pagod si Pogi. Ay, sila na no. Hi! And that's my vlog for today. I couldn't find Pogi anymore. Baka umalis na siya. Wala si Elise. Ba't naman yun kasi, baby? Ba't naman kasi ganun? Dapat hindi mo inaway si Pogi. Di sana madami tayo sa labas. Dapat naman yun eh. Not good. Not funny. No. No. Bye-bye. 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 Finger hug.